Hey guys, we're back with this stream. A little bit late, not a little bit, several hours late. Okay, so I already done refactor the things to make it ready to be expand later for other API. And now, today I'm gonna deep down, go into actually upload the image file. Try to tweet with the image today. Okay. So briefly, I read the documentation on the website, and it seems like what I need to do is that I need to send the command I need first, and then I'm gonna upload the content there. Maybe repeat multiple times at the state here, and also after all thing done, finalize it. Yep. So basically, most of the thing it seems like to be based on the media ID, things like that. Okay. Yay. Hi, buddy. Thank you for saying that. So 64, 62. Okay. Let me change extra token a little bit. Sounds it. Yeah, now if you check out the project on the GitHub website, it's already working version. You can tweet now. Just hook it up, create the app on the dashboard, and then tweet. It's there. And the other thing is startup, and you should cache up, and return properly. Let you know what's there. For this project TT, and let's move on. Hey, thank you for coming, IT. On Doju. I'm not sure today. I think I maybe a little bit need more time to maybe spend a little bit of time trying to get what the documentation said to me. Yeah, we might expect some, I don't know, maybe difficulty a little bit, since we need to like synchronize, and also in case for the multiple image that we need to send. So I think they're going to be some of the effort there in the code to make it a little bit manageable. Anyway, let's try first with init command. So let's check the main things. So now we can update things like TT update and then tweet hello, right? What if I want to also attach an image with this tweet as well? So maybe add the parameter like this. Yeah, so it's go like a 1, 2, possible. Okay, let's think about what we should let the user use for tweeting the image in this case. Maybe like this. Yeah, okay, let's focus for the single image first. See how things go there. So in this case, yeah, so I'm gonna fix it, the position of the command to be at exact index 1, in this case a second position here, all the time, and then the rest of it 0, 1, 2, 3, from 3 and onward is going to be the parameter, additional parameter. Okay, and try to get additional parameters for the command. So in this case, is image part. Right. So let me just check it. One, two, three. There will be additional parameter in only if number of argument more than 3. So it has to see equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Yeah. Okay. Then let's find search for F flags. Equal to 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3. Start at 3 and you have to see. Okay, we need to check as well. Okay, check if user enter add dish. Okay, if we actually see 3 and 5, this is for update command. We actually see okay, we're gonna print out something. Not okay. And then we're gonna return code here. But if things go fine. But if things go fine. If things go fine. App should be at the first position after that, so you just check it check for support flag here. Okay. And should we add fourth position? So to extract mesh. Again, we're gonna bring something. Wow. So 1, 2, blah blah blah. So we're gonna go back to this later. Okay. Let's make it. Okay. Update something. And then it's going to be part. Oh, okay. Right.
Go back.
Okay. RGC for 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3. We're not gonna tweet anything here just yet. Let's try it again. Yeah, okay. So position correct. What happened if I just not supply part 1? Check the parameter. Okay. Maybe we should improve the printing message as well. Missing file part. Missing image part. Okay. Missing image part. Okay. missing image part. Okay, new line. Oh. Okay, so the top higher level that we managed canceling the command from the user is okay. It's there now. Get file path. Okay. File path. ARGv4. File path. And let's return. Let's, by the way. User something like desktop image one. Okay, cool. So okay, we got file path. Now let's look at the API things. Okay, so we're gonna add one more API. It's going to be actually the same API, should be the same API, but we're gonna add additional parameter. Okay. API is image path. Okay. Part 2 image file to this to it. Return no. Okay, let's get back to that. Console. Yeah, it can be no. This can be no. If no need to read with image. Okay. I think you're gonna separate it. Is much better because the functionalities of the original tweet, I don't want to just messing around with them right now. Okay, wait a moment. Update slash image. Okay, all the same. First one ST. Yes, ST. This one ST. Come on. ST. Do okay. Now this screen is going to be changed. And hello, please sister, thank you for coming. Here is weekend in China. Yep. Hope you guys have a good time. Do HTTP request. Yeah, it's going to be changed to another one as we need to go follow to the sequence of this thing here. So let's try to send some init command. Sending the chunk here. Yeah, this one. So send init command. First step. Do HTTP request. Oh, come on. This one is going to be I believe this one is going to be oh yeah, it's post. Still post example. Resource URL is the same as what we use it for updated to it. So basically it's the same here as well. Alright. So we just run with it. Method post. Make up it. No. What? Post and just grab this one. Okay. Yeah. Add one more type. One more type of this. API request type. API request type port suite with image. Right. Export to read image, yeah. And we also send in let's see here. Okay, so it says for init, the init command request used to initialize file upload system. It returns a media ID which is to be used to execute all subsequent requests. The next step after subsequent return for init command is append command. See the upload media guide for constraint and requirement on the media files. Request should be either multi-part form data or application exit form post format. Request should be either multi-part form data. The response provide media identifier in the media ID 64-bit and media ID string. Use media ID string provide new API response from JavaScript and other language that cannot accurately represent a long integer. The entire file must be uploaded before. Okay. The actional owner field. I have a sense that this init command we just didn't actually yet upload the file just yet. We will upload the file in the next step, which is the upload append command. Request should be multi-part form. Yeah. So it seems like that Twitter expect us to either use multi-part, although right now there's no multi-part data just yet. Response. Okay. Record yes. So we're gonna send bunch of parameter and value here as well. Tag along with it. Keyword, key value. Command definitely is going to be init and this case sensitive as well. Okay, it is the first one. Okay, moving on. Key value here. Command, we are sending already. Total byte, okay, we need to read 5. Yeah, determine the size of the file here. Okay, we go to determine the size of the input file. We're going to add it here. Total byte. I have 4 image files that sit tight waiting to be used. Let's check it at desktop. I think. Yeah. So okay, so in this case I'm gonna upload the first image first. I'm gonna check total byte of this one. I just mute the microphone just in time, although you will hear a bomb. Right, so this one around 800,000 byte. Yeah, so the image is going to be this one. Yeah. So the number two image as well is going to I tag along with that. This is 2. Okay. So we know that it should be this. So let's validate it. I'm gonna add this to YouTube, I think. Size tt get total byte. Yeah. So this function is going to help us determine the file size of the input part to the file part, and return the size. This is in different file now. Get file size of the input file part. No. In byte from the input file part. File part. Yeah, file part. And return size of file in byte. Gonna copy this and let's back to the bottom here. Remove this. Okay, we're gonna open the file. F open.
What we do here
Okay.
is go back.
File part and lead only. Yeah, we lead in binary. Definitely. It's not text file, definitely, even in binary file. So we're gonna set fseek, I think. Use the technique here. Seek the file to the end. Get the current position. The current position is going to be total byte or the file size of the file. And yeah, we're just done. Fseek. Oh no. Check first. If I okay, return the error as well. So maybe I'm gonna return the error too. Okay. Return -1. So it cannot open the file. We're gonna print it. Cannot open the file. File part. And then I'm gonna return -1. But else, you're gonna fseek to the end. I think it's seek in. Seek and fseek file stream and seek in. Yeah. So seek to the end of the file. No, at first we need to seek at the beginning first, just to make sure. But it should be there already. Seek set. Make sure we begin at no. Oh, no need. Okay. Because fixed is going to return the current position of the 5 indicator. Yep, and then get total by up y side. Return, which return as long, I think. F so long. Chain it. Long. Oops. Excel. And then we're gonna close the file. Okay, that's done. So this is my file size. Long file size. TTU2 get total byte. No. Get file size better. Get file size. 9. Get file size. Get file size. And we do this. Get image file size. Local. If Oracle, we're gonna oh yeah. Just return. To do. Should we also set a record value before returning? It's not necessary right now, but anyway, because I just don't want to define the custom error code just for separately from the Twitter error code indicate something went wrong along the process. We can look at that later. Okay. And then gonna convert this to string. Yeah, because key value here for us, key value here, expect a string. To string. And long. The limitation of file size to be uploaded is 5 megabyte. Let's convert this to byte. 5 megabyte to byte. Let's do it like this. Yeah, 0 6 times. 0 6 times. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 file size string is going to be 7 at most. Maximum file size support by Twitter is 5 megabyte. So cap is 5, y is 6, in which total character length is 7, 6, 7, 8. So I'm gonna allocate the buffer 8, 1 for not too many character, and then set file size set 0, size of file size yes. Okay, we're good to go. S and printf file size s. Check this again. S and printf size is going to be 7. I use this multiple times to have a curious that the size it should be the maximum size. That also include the terminate no terminate character or not, or plus one or minus one. What is the size for maximum number of bytes to be used in there? Oh. Okay, actually it's used the maximum byte to be used in the buffer. So in this case is size of file size. Okay. It should be the same for standard scene. Should be the same for standard scene. Description session window. We'll write at most. Oh, right. My bad. I think I have a field of occurrence location that I use size plus size minus 1 supply as a size for the SNBNet function. So okay, I will rewire remap my memory for this. The SNBNet and VSNBNet function will write at most size plus minus 1 of the character printed into the output string. The size character get the terminate string. Okay, so we input the total size buffer size here. Okay, that's good. I think we're gonna do this like this. Ascent printf. Okay, so we convert file size in numeric into string already, and we can use that supply to the function here. Size yes, that's right. And we go back to the parameters for init media type. Hey, thank you for coming again and again. Letbox Games. How was your weekend, man? I just went back from electronic market today. Came with my girlfriend. Tried to find some PBT keycap, but nothing there. They tried to sell me the whole set of the layout, but no. I'm not going to buy a new keyboard. I already have. Just wanna decorate or change something. Media type. Media type is going to be, I think, image. Oh. Okay, so only just determine the file size is not enough. Now we need to determine the type of the file as well. So I think in this case the easier part is to determine from the file extension. Determine the extension. Yeah. So it's good that I decided to separate and not messing around with the original tweet with status only. Separate to tweet with image here. Extension. So we're gonna do some substring here. Let's check it out how we can do that. String, I don't know. Dash string function in C too. Locate a substring in a string. Haystack, you know. Okay. Interesting parameter name there, haystack, and another one is needle. Okay, description. String function locates the first occurrence of the now terminate string needle in the now terminate string haystack. Okay. Ignore the case. Yeah, definitely we're gonna use this string case string. String and string function locate the first occurrence of now terminate string needle in the string haystack when not more than length character are searched. Okay. Character that appear after an automatic character are not sure search. Since the string function is previously specific, it should only be used when portability is not a concern. Whoa. Since string function is previously specific, okay, I need to check it now. Whether string is string function portable. It says so it's not portable, but I gotta check it. Portability of string is and performing the following check to my setup tag is at the start of string. That's standard, but I don't know if you downloadable summary of the C89 standard. The last public drive of C99 is borrowed from the net, but
What we do here is go back.
C string function is standard library function, so it's present in all conforming C implementation. My own personal hunch, you did include, but you didn't show enough code to support or refute the hunch. If you're just checking for DD at the start of the string, wrong tune, it's just consider. Oh la la. String. Okay. I just check it on. Yeah. I just check it for the Linux server of mine. It doesn't say anything about portability or that kind of thing. I think it's maybe safe to say to actually use it. I guess. Okay, I think maybe you just use it first. Is a while ago. It just bugged me a little bit that it says something like a. Since the string function is previously specific, it should only be used when portability is not a concern. I'm still not sure whether it directly means string but not string k-string or other things. Let's see. Determine input file extension. Okay, let's move on and see the example usability. No, it's a little bit buggy. Alternative. Let's check out there whether we should concern about this thing or not. Ooh, string for string that is not now terminate. String over there. The base function from the start is likely faster than what B search? Oops. Binary search of a sortable. Just be aware of it. There is exists in the standard library too. Cool. I'm gonna assume that is there no problem at this point. I should not concern that much about the portability at the moment. Seems okay on Linux is available and also Mac. What about Windows? Shamelessly just directly search on this. Should be no problem. Should be fine. I think it's maybe because of like Mac OS is spin off from the FreeBSD, right? And that manual page talking about the string function is talking about itself. So it just warn with the false positive warning, something like that. Since the string function is FreeBSD specific, it should not be used. Maybe there's some implementation that is a little bit different from other. It can be. Okay. Oh yeah, let's try to find how to use this then. Example, the following set the pointer PTR to the bar bash portion of the large string. Okay, I feel like I do some testing on this on the Let me create a file real quick. Let's see. Test string. Test string. Oh. Oop. My key doesn't work now. Eh? Come on. we're gonna do some testing for the string here. Test C, test string. Okay, do it real quick. Char RGB, right? Okay, so what we have here, we just define something. The following set of the pointer, the following set the pointer PTR to none because only the first 4 characters of search. Let's try. Let's full bars. No, we're gonna change to our case. In this case, maybe something like this. Image 1.png. Yeah, we're gonna have some different test case here. So come on. Yeah. Expert image 2. We're gonna change to the, let's see the effect of like a ignore case. We're gonna use string and also maybe no, we're not going to use the another variant string and string. No need to use that because we now terminate string. We use that, and let's check it out. Char pointer. Okay, and ptr string s1 first. What we try to find here is, I don't like it. I need to use this. It's just a minor stuff in the test file, but it's a habit. I mean, okay. Target. I wanna find. Oh, it's bad now. Can we do split string here? Split string in C. After split string is on. Split string with delimiter in C. String 2k. String 2k. What the hell is string 2k? String 2k. String token. String 2k function is used to isolate sequential token in a non-terminate string. These tokens are separated in the string by at least one of the current steps. The first time that string 2k is called, string should be specified. Substring call wishing to obtain another token from the same string should pass a null pointers instead. The separator string sep must be supplied each time and may change between calls. The implementation will behave as its no library functions called string 2k. The string 2k function is the entrant version of the context pointer. Last must be provided on each call. Function also be used to nest two passing loop in one another as long as separate context pointer are used. The string 2k and string 2kr function return a pointer to the beginning of each subsequent token in the string. Return a pointer to the beginning of each subsequent token in the string after replacing the token itself with unknown character. When no more token above the string. I think, yeah, we're not going to use string here. We're going to use string to k. We're going to use string to k. Separate the stop here. Yeah. This separator. Separator is going to be this one. Anyway, okay, let's try to work on this example. Okay, I'm gonna change the file name first, then yeah, because in the future I'm gonna refer back to it, so naming the correct file name here is crucial for me. We're gonna move this file to be string to k.c, and we're gonna do the same. Test C string to k, test string to k. Okay. I want to say what? Maybe we enter a while loop. While char. This is our token, maybe. Token point to now first, and token string to k s1 with separator is this. Okay, this interface is obsolete by string set. Let me check real quick. Obsolete. No, nothing mentioned in the Linux main page for this exact the same function. Let me check in the Linux. Yeah, in this case, I just log into my Linux server and then try to man string sep. Ooh, that is libc 2.19 extract token function. Okay, one difference between string sep and also string to k is that if the input string contains more than one character from delimiter string from delimiter in the row, return empty string for each pair of character from. One difference between string sep and string to kr is that if the input string contains more than one character from delimiter, lexicon in string 2k and outer string there. We should always copy the string to Oh, so string step seems like it support multiple of separated character here. Word separate by space and anyway for us it's just one. Yeah, but it's good to be aware that there are also string set function to be used. Let's get back to this. Token. Okay, I'm gonna do why token is not known. I'm gonna print it. Token. Nope, not this one. Let's see. Test string 2k. Didn't include string yet. String hash. Uh-oh. What happened? Consa to parameters of type char. Let's see. Bust alerting. What happened? Maybe they have to change something with this, so I need to change to send in that function as a non-constant. Still bust alert. What happened here? Oh. Okay. Okay. Try to find a good example now. Seems like, oh yeah, they try to modify the character here, and what we did, I think, what we did is that we define the constant of car like this, and blah 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 like this. In this case, is define the string at the C program data section, and we don't have the whole of the buffer. We just have the pointer. So I think to make it no error for the bus error that will show up, we need to define the buffer like this array. Okay, so everything else is the same. Oh, okay. Okay, now. Okay, now. Oh, string 2k. We call it the first time. This one. Subsequent call should set null at the end, at the last parameter. As the last parameter. So this is going to change to token. Why? Print it first. Okay. Oh, segmentation fault. Where did it go? Oh. No, at the first parameter. It is. I told you wrong. Yeah, we got. It should be the last one. The last one. Okay, so we just got the last token here, and then try to do the same with the dot separated. In case there can be also the define name that include the dot, like this. The dot like this. Yeah. So at this point we get the last token which is image. Finding include extension. So next step is that we're going to extract the file extension. We do the same again. So okay, we set token to null first. On it. String 2k. Yep. Token itself. And use that. Do the same thing. Okay. Should be fine. I cannot see clearly. Separate the result. Bring 2k. Okay. I think maybe because it's operate directly to the buffer array. I'm going to string copy here. File name. Copy token. Yeah. Again, copy. Okay. File name. Add more lane color. -1. Token, and you're gonna use file name. Segmentation part. Segmentation fault. Let me check this again. Oh, because token is null already. Hey. Yeah, we're gonna get the last. Gonna get the last token. Last token. Yep, set the last token. Yep, save the last address for us, and then we use that last token to copy the value back to use further. Compile. Okay, so we get image and also PNG, and the last one is going to be that. Char extension. Yeah, the same. Last token. For extension, we get last token. Yep, PNG. Cool. I'm gonna save this too. I'm gonna get add this to utility function. Yeah. Get file extension. File path. Yeah, we're not going to modify the original case that we get. Okay. And we're gonna do the same. Do the same here. Let's see, test. Okay. We're gonna copy all of this. Yep, S1 is going to be bypass. Token. Get the last one. As well as the buffer. Select buffer size. You're gonna define the buffer here as well. Finding buffer size. We'll be very generous, give it full 255 size. File name buffer. Okay. Get the file name. Actually, seems like we have no need to copy here. What if I just use last token right away? Yeah, it's the same. It's the same. This one is not going to be neat. Yeah, the error from previous time that I found is because I used token, in which case token here is already null, and string copy from none to file name is going to be definitely error. Right. Hey, thank you for follow. No, obvious. It's just irony that I'm working against the null things here and you follow. Welcome, man. Thank you. All right. File name is not there anymore. Yeah. Yep, we can do it. We can do last token. File name. No need. Yeah, no need. Operate on last node. Good token. Okay, let's do the same. Yeah, it should be fine. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna copy this again. What we don't need here is the file name. Copy, stop, and instead of using file name, I'm gonna use last token. Last token. Right. Okay. do final check here. We got the file extension already, and then we return it back. Okay, I'm a little bit curious that the token that is returned from string token here, function here, it is already managed by such function or not, or it will, no, it should not have known that this is the scope that this function in. Okay, I'm gonna do some experiment. Yeah, okay, I understand now. I believe, oh no, not believe, I think, oh, not think. I reasonably guess that actually the token here is just the pointer inside the input string, so it should be no problem whether you have the implementation code here inside the function and call somewhere else, and it's gonna return the pointer of that token, in which case it point to part of the input string, and input string is still exists in the memory. It should not go anywhere yet because you call this function and the file input is still outside. So yeah, it's okay, no need to worry about the memory corruption or anything like that after go out the scope of this function. Right, we can test it. We can test it. Test, no, file extension. And get in file path. Come on. The buffer is just replaced, and then you have to go back and get the things there. Don't want to get that. Do it again. Okay. Constant char file extension. Constant char going to input file path. Okay. 34. 9. Okay. Oop. That's correct. I'm gonna return last token here. What's the function name again? There's something weird here. Okay. Extension file desktop transfer image 1 and try to print it outside extension. Okay. Oh, constant char. Oh. Okay, Ustan, we have a problem. My belief is wrong then. File extension still there. Let's check the man page again. This can separate and string by the function we behave is notable function call. Okay, the string 2k and string 2k are function return a pointer to the beginning of each subsequent token in the string. After replacing the token. Oh. Okay. What about this? What about this? Oh. Right. Trying to find the explanation of this. Oh, come on. I did it. Yeah, this CLI we still use the the local variable inside our function here. We are not using the file at all. That explains the thing that is the when it get returned and is nothing there. Let's do it again. What? Oh, we sent in the not constant. Oh, I have a bad feeling about this because do we need to change something with the pointer here? Because we send it like this, it should be con anyway. We should not modify it anyway. Right. Alright. Alright, man. I can do that. Yeah. Seems so. Can I do it? We need to send in. What about this? What about this? Okay. You get the things back. Yeah. In this case, it's not totally flexible for user that they cannot just call file extension and then just specify the string right away. We need to have something defined first in order to occupy the space, and the function itself, in this case string 2k, underneath it, underlying, I guess they try to do sneakingly to modify the pointer. I'm not sure because they require to use non-constant character pointer there in order for it to work. Have to do it like this. Okay, I can leave it that. So gonna note add our function. Yeah, this one is going to be char. Okay. Thank you for your service. I'm gonna close this file now. Okay, I'm gonna note it. Yeah, the modifier char pointer here already tell the story that we expect you to send in send in the existing character array that you have. What if we change? What if we change? Not this. Okay, another try. That's right. Test string 2k. String 2k. Maybe I can change it to, yeah, expect like this. I don't really like this syntax that much because I used to, I love to use the pointer, but in this case I think it's clearly show and more clearer to show that we expect you to send in what you already defined. Yeah, that's it. Better, much better. Not pointer anymore. Yes, this one. Yeah. Argument of the function tell the story instead of we need to like comment it. File part. So okay, everything is fine now. Let's get back to this. Determine the input file extension. Okay. Extension. Oh. No. I don't like it. Because you can see here, this function operates in another layer from the outside that call and send in the image part. It's sent in as a pointer. Definitely, yeah, outside there they already have the existing variable defined. Change back to pointer. Yeah, let's test it again. Syndicate. Gonna call some wrapper function. Wrapper function. Do here wrapper form, and you're gonna send in part. And this one you're gonna send that back. Quick type into discussion. Okay. Yeah, work the same. Search out, I think. Yeah, we can get this. And sneakingly convert to char at the back. They never know. Okay, we done with that. I think I'm gonna copy that thing, testing to copy it, PVC, and I'm gonna create a guest in case you want to see it. Yeah. So for yesterday guest, you can check it out here as well. Test var and also bubble sauce. Yeah. Just go to my account here, guest expert here, and you're gonna see my guest. So from yesterday's variable list here. So test, play around with it. That to run through the variable list for the struct and also normal variable, and the bubble sauce stop. Bubble sauce stop that. Yeah, it's just okay. And I'm gonna create testing to k. Copy object. Yeah, string to k function test that. Yep, test that. So example to get file extension. Notice the argument of function sending in. Okay, cool. And we are okay with this now. Grab it, close it, and okay, so we're done with string 2k. Let's go back to the main flow of the application. We're gonna get the file extension here. Constant file extension. This case is tt util get file extension. Just supply the file part. So in this case, image part. Yeah, and just test it, print it first. File extension. See if everything's alright. and it should be alright. Yeah, it should be alright. So we can check if file extension, did we return null at all here? Yeah, we should return null as well. Yeah, if token cannot find at all, I'm gonna update on the source code on the Git that I just upload there as well. Pre-check that at least found something. So if not, you're gonna return no. And definitely for the file extension as well, there needs to be one dot. So if token no, return no. Check that at least there is one dot. Definitely for, come on, definitely for extension.
Let's go
Yeah.
back.
We're gonna remove this soon. Return now in case of not found anything. Okay. Gonna return. Yeah, and this is the same as well. I noted. Right, but if everything is alright, I'm gonna print it. And then form. Now we can go back to the Twitter document. Media type, form media type string here. Media type string. JPEG 1, 2, 3. Let me count it. The maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So maximum in this case seemingly to